Okay, so welcome back. As you are here, you would have downloaded and installed the Camtasia Studio so we can work with that. This section is for absolutely complete beginners, so if you know about this beginner stuff, you can skip this lecture. This lecture is just a small lecture explaining things so the people will get with us who don't know about the stuff that I'm going to talk about. Okay, so let's start with these three buttons. This button, as it is clear from the text written over here, record the screen. This button, when you click this button, it will load the recorder and then you can record the videos. Actually, I cannot click it right now because I'm already recording this video in the same recorder. So you can click on it and see that's really simple. Okay, so we have got the next button, that is import media. This button is used to import different kind of media, videos, audios and images that you can use in your project that you're going to create. Okay, so the next one is produce and share. This button is used to convert your project into an actual video file. So the things that you're going to do over here, it is going to convert it into an MP4 or any format that you're going to choose. But that will be a video or an audio depending upon what stuff you're working with. Okay, so that's all about the buttons, and let me show you by importing some media. I've got three different kind of medias over here: image, audio and video. Okay, so this is an image. The thing that you need to know about an image is that it can be scaled as much as you want to, because that's just a still image and you can move it around for hours and hours of content. That won't change anything. Okay, so this is for the image, and then we've got audio. And this is the audio. Let's say that this portion of your audio is useless. Let's say from here to over here. Let's just drag it down over here. This is called trimming. You don't have to take anything over your head. I'm going to explain each and every feature in detail. That's just to show you that what stuff works, how stuff works over here. So this was a video that I had created for my audio editing course. Okay, so you can do the same thing over here. It has audio and video. Every video format that has audio that shows the audio waves over here can be separated from audio by clicking this. Now this is a separate video file, this is an audio file. You'll learn all the things in as you go through the course. This is just some beginner stuff. Okay, one more thing that is important for you to learn. There are three main sections in the Camtasia Studio that you need to know about. The first one is the clip bin. As you can see over here, this area is the clip bin, and this area is set to be the home of this program. Whenever you open this program, this area will come up on the front. This is clip bin, this is library. Library contains some of the material that comes up with your Camtasia license, so you can use it in your recordings, in your stuff, in your projects. It has some themes for creating different kind of animations and some music that will be really handy if you use that. Okay, so this section is for images. It won't show up until you import an image, and this is for audios and videos. Whenever you upload or import different kind of media over here, it will show up different kind of things. Like it will be separated according to the type of media, that is image, audios and videos. That's it. And once you want to remove the any file that was imported over here, you can simply select that and press delete. One more thing about the other sections about of Camtasia Studio. This was the clip bin. Then we have got canvas. This is the canvas. Let me import the video and show you that. Okay, so this is
Hello friends and welcome back.
This is the canvas, and we can play the video over here or the audio that we want to. Just to view that, it will play over here. That is a song file. Okay, so this is canvas. in general, canvas is a paper for the painter to paint on it, and this is going to be the paper for us to paint on. We're going to edit stuff visually over here on the Camtasia studio. This is our canvas in which we're going to edit stuff. It is as simple as that. Don't take anything too much on your mind right now. You will understand everything as you go through the software. Excuse me. Okay, then we have got timeline. This timeline is the actual thing in which the editing stuff works. This is the most important place where you're going to work with the editing. We are going to edit stuff like splitting it into two parts, deleting one part, deleting the other, and importing media and stuff like that. Everything is going to happen over here. The actual stuff happens in the timeline. This is just a visual representation of the stuff that you're doing over here. It will show you what you are doing over here, as you can see. So timeline is the most important thing in Camtasia Studio that you need to understand, and you will get to know about all the features as you go through the course. One more thing, when there is nothing in the timeline, you cannot produce and share. It will say there is no media on the timeline that can be produced. To create a shareable video, drag media into the timeline from the clip bin or library. So this is how it will show when there is no media. But if I put this video over here and click on produce and share, it will ask for different options depending upon my needs, that which one I want to produce, and I can do that. Either that is custom production settings or stuff like that. I have a lecture about the production wizard. I'm going to tell you about that in detail, so you would understand that which format and which things you need to do. So that's all for this lecture. I hope you understood everything, all the basics, and if you have any questions that you know that you need answers for, that you need to ask, I'm always here to help. Please let me know if I can help you in any way.